What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how you can watch a Pushpa movie or download Pushpa movie without any subscription or without paying anything. So guys, watch the video till end. If you are new on this channel, so please do a subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. You had tried many tricks how to download Pushpa movie or how you can watch Pushpa movie online, or you have searched on YouTube Pushpa movie, but you can't watch this movie in HD quality or you can't download this movie in Hindi version. But guys, I'm here for you. You can watch this movie totally free without paying anything or without downloading anything or without any subscription. So guys, what you had to do for that, you had to download this application. The link is given in description. After downloading this application, open the application, click on join and back. Now guys, you can see here the option find. Click on the find and search here Pushpa. Now guys, the first option is here. You can see guys, you can watch this movie online or you can download this movie in 4 languages: Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam and Kannada. In 5 languages, you can watch this movie in 5 languages. Click on Hindi. You can see here guys, you can also download this movie here. You can see here the download option, continue with download, or you can watch this movie online. Click on continue watching. You can see here. You can see guys. I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, so please do a subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till that, goodbye.